Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars, mgmclassiccars.com. Look at this land yacht 1976 Eldorado convertible with only 62,000 miles. Last owner had it for at least 30 years. Needs a few things. Mechanically, no, but it's definitely going to need a little touch-up and paint work. Maybe more paint work than touch-up, but I'll go through it. All original body panels. Mechanically, it's fine. Real clean under the engine with a brand new air conditioning compressor. Oh, I dropped you. So here. Great lines, great driving car. We'll go through it. Your front chrome is good. The moldings are a little worn. I mean, being original, stuff like this, little pitting, which that stuff you can get, but it's not being asked for a ton of money. Got a little hole here, but look how straight the body is. This side's in great shape. Couple tiny little scratches. All your moldings and glass are good. This is common with these big hoods. All you gotta do is push it down like that. It's fine. Lines up the way it should. All original panels. Great color combination with a white top. Rear bumper and trunk are in good shape. That's a pull down trunk. Moldings could be cleaned up, but the chrome is good. Trunk is in fine shape. Passenger side, you got a scratch here and a little bit of rust that's starting to pop out there. So that rear quarter you should redo, or I would just paint the whole side. This way you got the color matching and everything's fine. It's a factory color, so it's easy to match. But body has no waves, so it's never been in a fight, and it's just clean all the way throughout. Tires are in probably 50%. All your hubcaps and your plastics are good, which is important. Back seat's in good shape. All your power is working. Power seats, tilt, cruise, air conditioning, power windows, power seats. This is going to need to be fixed from this point, which you can get these now. Not crazy expensive, but it needs to get done if you wanted to. Your dash is in good shape. Other side is fine, passenger side. 62,126 miles only on it. That's why we bought it. Sounds real strong with a little bit of love. It's also going to need a top. That white top, pretty much original. There's a few little spots in there, so I would just get it. You could get a factory top or a remade top. I don't know, about $700-800 and about $600 to get it installed-ish, just so you all know. Tilt, cruise, all working. But great cars, going straight up in value. This one's priced right, so that's why we did it that way, so you could spend a few dollars to make it real right. Nice car. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 190 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. All our cars are online with our photos, videos, description, and pricing. Our warehouse is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We do offer special financing up to 180 months if you have good credit with only 10% down. I do have one source that will do no money down, but you gotta have to be real strong, and they'll go up to 84 months. We have shipping all over United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed. Beautiful cars. I mean, it's straight down. It just needs a little bit of love, and you're going to enjoy it. You could reach me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl, 773-600-0919. 1976 Eldorado convertible, 62,000 original miles. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and once again, if you have any questions on shipping, financing, any of our vehicles, you could reach me at 773-600-0919. What a beautiful face. Thanks, everybody. There'll be more coming. Enjoy your day.